Hey Android users, this is Jacob Paulson from AndroidSocialMedia.com. Just doing a couple of tutorial videos today. I got the screen recording set up for my phone, and so I thought I'd just take advantage of it to record a couple videos for you. Right now I want to show you an app that I use on occasion. It's kind of a fun app. It's called Scanner Radio, and you can see it right here in my app drawer. Scanner radio is really fun. It replaces those old police scanners that some of us used to have in the car or on the desk, and allows us to actually listen to those frequencies here on the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It's a free app. It doesn't cost anything. It's available in the market. Apparently I just had an update, and I haven't opened it since I updated it, so we'll go ahead and hit OK. And from here, it's pretty straightforward. You obviously can create a favorites list of scanners after you've been using this for a while, configured alerts, scanners near me, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit scanners near me. This is a quick, easy way to find frequencies or channels that are available near me. I'm in Colorado right now, so you can see that it immediately opens up some here near me. So Colorado State Patrol seems like an obvious one. So let's open that one up. This right now has 11 listeners that are listening to it. So we're going to make ourselves number 12 here.
You're at 1240 East 85th Place. Serve an aggressive driver later.
So there you just heard it. Immediately after I opened it, we are already hearing a little bit of traffic. Sometimes you might have to wait a minute, of course, until there's something being said before you might hear anything. But pretty slick. You can pause it, save it to your favorites, whatever you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and add to my favorites so that I can quickly access this one in the future. Of course, like I said again, pause it, etc. Now I'm on Wi-Fi right now. I have used this app on 3G. Sometimes depending on the connection, it can be a little bit breaky, but it does work, and so I haven't had any issues with it. I'm gonna go ahead and go back. You can just hit the home button on your phone, and this will stay open in the background while you're doing other things. Or you can hit menu and hit exit when you're ready to be done. So that's pretty straightforward. Let's go back to the home screen. From the home screen, if you want to look somewhere else, obviously maybe you're sitting in Colorado, but you want to hear what's going on in New York or something. I don't know. You can obviously scan by different. We're still here in good old Highway Patrol there. You can browse this way, so you can check by state. Maybe let's check out LA. Something tells me there's a lot going on in LA, so I head back up to California. Los Angeles County. And there's a lot going on here. Obviously, not all of this is going to be police, law enforcement type stuff. These are all the public frequencies that have been registered and indexed by this program. But just for fun, there's Los Angeles Police and Fire. So let's give it a shot. It's obviously you can see there it's stopping our previous scanner, which is the Colorado Highway Patrol, before it can start this one. Now it's connecting. And pretty fast there we got some Morse code. That's pretty rare. I don't usually hear a lot of Morse code. This may... Oh. So there you go.
Can you give me the address of Crown Plaza in Redondo?
Good times in Los Angeles. He needs the address of the Crown Plaza. This is a great app, guys. These frequencies are public. There's nothing illegal about this. You could easily listen to these frequencies.
103 Mason, I went. I have to call Redondo.
You could obviously listen to these frequencies. Also, I'm going to go ahead and pause this so it doesn't interrupt me anymore. You can listen to these frequencies online as well on the various websites. There's nothing illegal about this at all. These are public frequencies. Law requires that they be available to the public to view. So don't feel like you're doing anything wrong, and there's nothing wrong with that. Obviously, again, you can come up here, click on favorites. We should have, there's my Colorado State Patrol, Provo Police and Fire is another one I have favorited. Configured alerts. There's a lot of nice options in here. Take a look around. Let's go ahead, in fact, just real quickly, hop into the settings. Directory settings, show new additions, show scanners near me. If you want those options to be available in your menu, in your directory, cache directory entries, so it makes it easier to find, etc. Player settings, if you want to change some of the things on the player itself. So, what happens when I tap on the player screen? Does nothing, mutes, unmutes, pauses, etc. So some options there that you can have. When call received, how should it handle that? Obviously, stopping the player seems like the obvious thing to me. Stop after paused. After I pause it, how much longer do I want that app to continue in the background before it just, stops? Streaming method. This is pretty obvious. I use the Android Media Player because that's the stock thing that I know already has on my phone. But you can use a custom player if you choose. Pretty great app. Hopefully that gave you a quick view into how it works, and hope that you guys enjoy it. Thanks a lot.